on the upbringing of the child. Now, in the same way, a Sahaja Yogi must know that the child within him is born, the spirit. Spirit is the child which has been born within him. Now he has to nourish through the Kundalini. He has to water it. He has to look after it. It has to make it grow. Now where is the time for other nonsensical things? You have a child in hand. You are all mothers. Looking after your child, that's your spirit. So where do you have time for all these things? What attention should be? What can I do to make this child happy? To make this child grow? To make this child completely manifest myself? The mother replaces herself as soon as the child becomes a mature child. So now in you, the motherhood must take over than the fatherhood. Motherhood towards yourself. The attitude should be like a mother towards the child. How her attention is towards the child.